longboarding to a coffee shop. Okay, we're back, and I got a little necklace with a K from my friend's business, and then I got myself a little new tote bag from my other friend's business. So it is super cute, and I can't wait to like carry my stuff in here and books and take cute pictures because I think it's so cute. I don't think I vlogged this, but Keanu brought me some flowers since my old ones were dying, and it is such a beautiful bouquet. I've never seen, like, I think this is baby's breath. I've never seen purple. So that's really cute, and it looks really good all together. Now we're going to have like a little movie night, so I'm about to set up my bed and make it all cute and cozy, and I think we're gonna have ice cream. Also, I'm just thinking about the Taylor Swift song, Call It What You Want. If you know, you know. We got the ice cream. Cute and cozy. I just brought out the little galaxy light. Ooh, I don't even think you could see this very well. Okay, I came to the other side. Got ready for the day. It's gonna be a no makeup, comfy day. There's a slight breeze, a little stronger than a breeze.
A little rain.
A little rain. But we're out here. We came to play pickleball. other pickleball courts at the park we were originally at were all taken. So.
Welcome, valued customer. Place your item in the bagging office card. Scan it now. Place item in bag or cart, then scan next item. Place item in bag or cart, then scan next item.
Okay, so it's time to try the TikTok recipe. I honestly couldn't find too many like croissants at my grocery store, and this one looks like it's already super flaky, but I'm excited. Oops, I don't think I was supposed to cut it all the way, but I did it. I'm trying to follow what other people did, even though I already messed up. So I just got these chocolate chip cookies. I know some people make them, like make their own recipe. So you can try it however you want. But I'm just gonna do this. And then I did take it out of the fridge for a little while so I could mold. But I think this is basically it. Okay, now we put it in the oven for 15 minutes and then we get to try it. I'm so excited. Okay, I literally just took it out and I like quickly placed it on a plate. I've seen people usually wait for it to like cool down so that they can like break into it. I did end up leaving it in there for 12 minutes and it looks pretty cooked, so hopefully it's good. I'm so excited. I tried to cut it in half, but I didn't want to mess it up too much. Oh my gosh, I burnt it. Okay. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna make a mess. Oh my gosh. Okay, this just looks like a cookie dough, like croissant. Just squished it together. Okay, let's try this. Definitely burnt, but it is pretty good. Okay. Definitely recommend. I cut it in half and then I put 2 cookies on the inside and then 1 on top. Just kind of like smashed it and put it on top. I think it was the perfect amount of cookie. Let me know if you've tried this before. It's like trending on TikTok, I guess, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to finish this and then probably just read and then edit this video.